Salade de Pois Chiches ingredients: 1 tin of chickpeas, 400 g, drained and rinsed, 2 medium tomatoes, diced 1 medium cucumber, diced 1 small red onion, thinly sliced 1 handful fresh parsley, chopped 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, 3 tablespoons of olive oil, salt and pepper to taste preparation in a funny style. Washing chickpeas. Open the can of chickpeas, pour out the water and give them a good shower in the colander. It's time to get them clean. Dressing vegetables. Cut the tomatoes and cucumbers into small cubes, as if they were preparing for a beauty pageant. Thinly slice the red onion. Think of it like the ribbon at a prom. Chop the parsley because everyone loves fresh greens on their plate. Making the dressing, mix the lemon juice and olive oil in a small bowl as if you were making a secret elixir. Season with salt and pepper to taste because all magic needs a little bit of magic wand. Salad party. Toss the chickpeas, tomatoes, cucumber, red onion, and parsley in a large bowl. Mix them up so they get to know each other well. Pour the dressing over it and mix again. This salad is now a real party face. Serving. You can serve it immediately or you can let it rest for a while in the fridge to let the flavors meld. But don't leave it too long, lest they leave before the party. Timing. Preparation. 10 minutes, but don't rush. Enjoy the process. Assembly. 5 minutes. This is where the salad comes to life. Total, 15 minutes, a perfect pastime.